Hey everyone, welcome to my tech show about how to connect two Bose speakers together. These are the Bose Revolve SoundLink, the SoundLink Revolve Plus 2s. So I have two of them, and the reason I wanted to get that is to exemplify my partying sound. These are great for outdoor usage. But anyways, without further ado, this is how you connect the two speakers together without downloading the app. So what you want to do is, for the first one, you're going to hold the Bluetooth, and then you're going to hold the plus sign, as you can see here. So you hold it down.
Press the Bluetooth and volume down buttons simultaneously on a second Bose device. Jossie phone.
And then now, with the second device, the second speaker, I'm not going to push Bluetooth and plus, I'm going to push Bluetooth and minus. And now it should say party mode. Wait a second, it's not
Party
there.
mode.
There we go. See guys, I told you. I told you it was gonna work. I had faith in myself. So as I was saying, that when you have it in party mode, the music is gonna be played in unison. Now to change it to stereo mode and have one speaker be the left and the second speaker be the right, it's quite simple. What we're gonna do now is on either speaker, you go ahead and then you push the Bluetooth and the plus again.
Stereo mode. Stereo mode. Left.
You
Right.
see? Left and right. So I found a cool YouTube channel where I could do a left and right stereo sound test. And here we go. You guys probably can't tell the difference, but it's working. Oh, now put together, you can hear it. Anyways, so this is how you connect both speakers in either party mode or stereo mode, and without downloading the app, the Bose app. Yeah, if this video has helped, go ahead and give it a like or a comment. It's much appreciated, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.